Question 1. What would be a method to statistically eliminate a trial relating to the standardization of 1 molar or 0.1 molar NaOH solution should you feel that one trial is different from the others? Could this be practical with only 3 trials? What are the correct steps to fill a 50 milliliter burette while performing a titration that requires more than 50 milliliters? Potassium hydrogen KHP is hydroscopic. How would using a jar that was left open for a significant period of time affect your results? Answer 1. Titration is a method to determine the concentration of unknown solutions quantitatively. During standardization of 0.1 molar NaOH solution, some experimental error can take place. That is why we can do one test to determine to reduce experimental error and to get more accurate results. Answer 2. In order to fill a 50 milliliter burette, firstly wash the burette using deionized water and then rinse it using a small amount of titrant. Add 50 milliliters of the titrant into the burette using a conical flask and make sure no air bubbles have formed. It is not compulsory to add 50 milliliters of titrant into the beaker. Answer 3. Potassium hydride or hydrogen phthalate KHP is used as a primary standard in titration with NaOH because it cannot decompose in and does not absorb or react in air.